Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. As Lord Mayor of Manchester, it is an honour to be invited to record a message for remembering Srebrenica. In July 1995, thousands of predominantly Muslim men and boys were systematically murdered and buried in mass graves. It was the worst atrocity on European soil since the Second World War. Srebrenica shows that this can happen anywhere and to anyone. No society is invulnerable to prejudice and intolerance. Events like this evening's are so important, and that they are held so we can remember Srebrenica and all who have been affected. They help us to learn from Srebrenica and survivors of genocide. The process of rebuilding lives for those who have experienced hatred and discrimination is one which our communities must play an active part in. Each and every one of us has an important contribution to make in order to help rebuild lives, to bring people together and to stand up to hatred and intolerance, and build more stronger, more cohesive communities. Thank you very much.